こんにちは、あすか先生です。Today I'm talking about more and mada. Have you ever heard these expressions? So, for example, if I ask you もう宿題をしましたか? It means have you already done your homework? So もう shows the speaker's expectation. I think you've already done your homework, but let me check. Kind of attitude. Yes? So, if without もう宿題をしましたか? It means neutral past tense. Did you do your homework? But if I say もう宿題をしましたか? It means have you already done your homework? And then if you answer, if you already done it, はい、もうしました。はい、もうしました。This more is optional. You can say just はい、しました。I've already done. Okay? But the tricky part is when you want to say no. いいえ、まだしていません。いいえ、まだしていません。No, I haven't done it yet. But 定form and then いません。Yes, 定form and います。Yes, 定 form プラスいます。Negative いません。So I haven't done it yet. In English you say I haven't done it yet, but we say 定 form and いません. Why? It is a bit tricky and then lots of learners try to just memorize it, but it's not not easy. Yeah, because you cannot see any logic in it. So let me show you. Actually, there are はい、もうしました and then いいえ、まだしていません. There's one more stage. Yes, this one. はい、今しています。So 定 form プラスいます。It means yes, I am doing right now. Yeah? So this is now you are doing homework stage. Yes? Now your current action doing homework. Yes? And then when you say no, you haven't reached that stage yet. Yes? This is the middle part. Yes? If you already finish it, はい、もうしました。So that's why more and past tense. If you are doing right now, はい、今しています。Yes? 定 form and then います。Yes means ongoing action, current action. Yeah? And then if you haven't done it yet, if you haven't doing right now stage, いいえ、まだしていません。定 form and いません。Alright? So, let's recap. When the speaker said もう for example 宿題をしましたか this more and then past tense sentence it shows the speaker's expectation. I think you've already done your homework but let me check attitude. Yes? And then when you answer this question there are 3 stages. If you are a good student and if you haven't done it, if you already done your homework はい、もうしましたはい、もうしました or just はい、しました Okay? And then, if you are a relatively good student and now you are doing very well はい、今しています Now I'm doing right now Yes? はい、今しています定 form and います And then you are student いいえ、まだしていません No, I haven't done it yet So, but compared to these two, the 定 form and いません 定 form and いません is used because you are not in the I am doing right now stage. Does it make sense? Hope it does. Yes. See you soon. またね